It's been a little bit since I've done a Dollar Tree haul here on my channel. I have been in the store a few times but haven't really bought anything, but I went in recently to stock up for both fall and Halloween, even some Christmas projects I have coming up, and I was able to find some cool fall stuff as well as some other everyday items I haven't seen before. So if you want to see what I found, stay tuned. This is Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney, and on this channel I love to share budget and DIY home decor as well as Cricut projects and wood builds. So if you like all things DIY, be sure to hit subscribe down below so you don't miss a future Whiskey and Whit video. So I didn't find a ton of fall items, but I will share with you what I did find first, so then that way you know what to be on the lookout for, at least what I found at my store. So the first one is this really cute bucket. It was buffalo check, so you guys knew I had to pick this up. It is orange and gray, which I think is cute. Usually, like with the Halloween vibes, it's orange and black, so I like the gray. And then on the bucket it says Farm Fresh Pumpkins. It says the same thing on the back side, but it is a metal tin, so I'll probably do some sort of DIY with this. Obviously not sure yet, but I really did like this. And this wasn't even in the fall section. It was like in with the other vases. They just kind of popped them on the shelf. So look throughout the whole store because they might have some fall stuff in weird spots that aren't just in that front area where they traditionally are. So I love a good pop of orange within my fall decor, but for the most part my bases are pretty neutral. And so I was really excited to find these new pumpkins that they have. This one is short and squatty, gray with a gold top. And then this one is more kind of round and plump with a brown top. I couldn't tell if it was black or brown, but both of these are super cute. I grabbed a handful of both of these. They also had an orange pumpkin, but it wasn't really my vibe, so I left it at the store for the next person. But I grabbed a handful, I think 4 of these and 2 of these, and I think I might make over, because I don't do a lot of gold, I might have this be like a brown or a black or something. They both feel about the same weight. This one actually looks like concrete, so I think these are super cute and they will definitely match my decor. I also thought this little owl was cute. I think I will definitely need to give him a makeover because again, it's colors that don't match my house. But that's what I love about Dollar Tree items. If you go in and think about shapes, similar to what I say about thrifted items, you can find things where the shape is cute and you could just spray paint or do something to it to make it over so that it matches your decor. So that's what's gonna happen with this little guy. And then my last chunk of fall stuff are some of the florals. I guess they're more dry. I grabbed a good handful of the cotton stems. These are awesome for DIYs as well as vase filler. So I grabbed these early because I know they will sell out. So I grabbed 6 of these. They actually look like the Hobby Lobby ones, where they actually look like, I guess, more real than anything. I got some last year where the little leaves were plastic, and so they looked a lot cheaper, but these that they have in my store, I'm hoping they have these in most stores this year, look a lot more high-end. They look like what you're gonna find at Hobby Lobby, and they're a lot cheaper. And then, like I mentioned, I'm big into neutrals, so I grabbed 3 of each of these little florals. These both say that they're Harvest Boutique displays. These again were hidden. They were in a box at the end of an aisle in the back of the store. They also had some with orange on them, but these I really like because I plan to put them together. These have long, like, brown pieces, and then also the wheat, and then I thought they would go really well with these taller pieces of wheat with some like spirals in there. So these I think will be really nice in my vases. I actually just did some really fun thrift flips in neutral colors, so these would look good in those as well. I'll link that video for you if you missed it, but these I was really excited about because they are fall, but they also are neutral fall, which is kind of my vibe. I love Dollar Tree's back to school section for all of my craft supplies. So I did not stock up last year, and I wish I would have. I grabbed a couple things on a whim and they turned out really great. So one being these pencil boxes, each of them being $1, so I grabbed 4 of them. They're great for a lot of things. I like to use them for vinyl scraps, cardstock scraps, different marker sets where the box, because I've used them so much, kind of falls apart. It's also great for all of my Cricut weeding tools. There's a lot of different options, but it's nice to just corral everything. I also like that the top is a flat lid, so I could just go through with a decal really quick and put what's in there to keep it super organized. So these are a great buy. I also like that they are see-through all the way around. Some of the Walmart ones that you get, it's got a black bottom with a see-through top, and so I like, depending on if I put it on a shelf or whatever, I can see from each angle what's inside. In that same vein, these are my absolute favorite. They've got these little pop-up lids, and this is called just a storage container, but they come in 4 different colors. They're really easy to stack. I sort my vinyl scraps in these particularly. It makes it so much easier when I'm crafting to find stuff. If you don't Cricut, this is also great for different kinds of paints, like those little containers that keep those together. I also have used these in the past to save cards from different occasions, or to save your cards if you've got like a back stock before you give them out. Also, I grabbed one of these little boxes. This I think will be for my little Cricut tools to kind of keep everything together, but it's got a lid with 2 snaps on either side. I went with the pink, but they've got the same 4 colors that I showed in the pencil box, so pink, green, blue, and orange. Now's the time to stock up. I like these better than what you typically find in January for the whole like clean out, new year, whatever, so check these out. I also grabbed 2 red pool noodles because if you saw our Christmas in July collab, Shannon over at the Daily DIYer did a whole video on pool noodle hacks. Her first project, I think, in that video, I'll link it down below so you can check it out, but she used pool noodles and made some like peppermint candies with scrapbook paper. It is literally so cute. I thought I could make a really cute garland for Finn's bedroom, so I wanted to grab these while I saw the 2 red ones before they sold out. I am a sucker for square signs at Dollar Tree because I know I can do so many things with them, so I found 2 of these small squares. They're really easy to pop the back out and add scrapbook paper, add decals, etc. So I grabbed 2 of those for upcoming fall DIYs, and then I also grabbed 2 of these that are hooked together, but they've got the beads on the top. You could easily use wood filler to fill that, but these squares are awesome. They fit in tiered trays really well. They sit up on their own, and so whenever I see these at the checkout, it's definitely an impulse buy, but I'd make sure to grab them because they are great to have in your stash. So some of the Dollar Trees by me have been getting a larger assortment of t-shirts, long sleeve, and I've got a ton of Christmas vacation shirts that are sweatshirts, but I thought I could use this leading into the holidays to create some sort of Christmas vacation long sleeve t-shirt because I do not have one, and so obviously that will be coming. This will probably make an appearance in my annual Christmas vacation video, so I will link my other ones down below if you are a Griswold family vacation fan. But this, for $1, it is a Hanes shirt. It's like what you would buy at Walmart, super comfy, and I was able to find adult sizes instead of just youth, so excited about that. Something else I was really excited about was finding the Crafters Square vinyl. So it's removable vinyl paper, so it's not the permanent, but this is literally what they had. I tried it black and white, so I am excited. This could probably be used for wall decals as well, but I was just interested to try it out for 48 inches, so you get 12 by 4 feet for $1. So we'll check this out and I will let you know probably over on my Instagram, so follow me there. I'll test this out and kind of let you know what I think of the Dollar Tree vinyl, but this has been out for a few months and I have yet to see it, so I had to grab 2 so I could test it out. I saw these also in the school section and I thought they would be great for organizing different drawers, maybe in our bathroom. They're little fabric organizers, so they're desk organizers. They're Jot brand, so they might be in the other like section of the store that has like all of the school supplies on like not school back to school time. But this is a little pencil cup holder. I thought this could be good to hold some stuff within a shelf that I have, and then also this little one in a probably drawer or something. These look like something you would definitely pick up at the Target dollar spot. Every season I love to go to Dollar Tree and find some craft blanks that I can then transform to something personalized or something seasonal, etc. I've got videos for that coming up for both fall, maybe Halloween, we'll see how many blanks I can find, and then definitely Christmas. I did both of those seasons, fall and Christmas, last year, and you guys loved them, so I grabbed both a square and a circle cutting board is what they call them, but I use them as trivets, so these will be coming to a DIY Dollar Tree blank video soon. I grabbed a couple glassware items for upcoming DIYs, one being these cute little mason jars. You can get them with a shaker top or a flat top. I recently used these in my bead DIY video. They took spray paint really easily and they looked awesome, so these will be coming to a seasonal video, as well as this cute little bottle. I've got a plan for that, so be sure you subscribe so you can see what I do with this. I grabbed a bunch of Crayola crayons because I am in the process of working on a huge classroom makeover for my mom. She teaches kindergarten, and so I've got a video coming up where I get control of her classroom and I am going to DIY a ton of stuff to kind of start this next school year off on the right foot for her. These are going to be a part of some DIYs for that video, so I needed a bunch of crayons, and my Walmart doesn't have their back to school section like really up yet, so grab these at Dollar Tree. Usually you can get them for about 97 cents 96 cents, something like that at Walmart. So a couple cents if you're already there, I'd grab them there, but this was a convenience play for me. And now we're getting into the random but great stuff. One being these wood magnets. They're 6-pack, and I thought these would be awesome for a DIY. They are cute little hexagon shapes, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them yet, but I thought for our fridge to add some seasonal flair, I can figure out something to do with these. Every time I go to Dollar Tree nowadays, it seems like I am buying a container of cotton twine and a container of jute twine because I use them in so many projects. This cotton twine you can find in the automotive section. It actually, yeah, the tool bench hardware, but I think of it as the automotive section. So I love this if you want some twine, but you don't want to go with the jute color. Another item for upcoming blanks videos are these wedding signs. I keep seeing them restock these, and I think they probably won't be super readily available in the fall and winter. So if you have seen my videos where I've transformed these before, or you want to follow along for the fall and winter, grab some of these. I've got one for Christmas and one for fall/Halloween, depending on when I use it, probably fall. So these will be coming up in a video too. I'm hoping I can DIY these cups. I have some like this. They're dishwasher and microwave safe. They're also BPA free. I use them actually for coffee, but I'm hoping I am able to remove the wording here so that I can make some fall mugs. So fingers crossed. I think so. Based on looking at it, I just have to get out the nail polish remover or the acetone and try it, but I'm hoping it doesn't eat through the plastic, but stay tuned. I will let you know how that goes. This Dollar Tree had some really cute tags, so I got some chalkboard tags. I think I might use those in my mom's room makeover, as well as some of these metal tags. I had never seen these before. There's 3 to a pack, so I got 9 total. So these might make an appearance in the classroom. They might be in our house. They might be in our new bathroom that I'm updating. Who knows? But I liked them, and because I hadn't seen them before at Dollar Tree, I grabbed stuff because I know I might not see it again. And finally, I've grabbed 2 more plungers. These handles are so nice for DIYs, and I have some plans in mind with these guys for upcoming videos. I think both of them, one's fall, one's Halloween. So I'm really excited to get to fall crafts, as you can tell. I think the second we did Christmas in July, I was just like ready for this season. And also, I mean, we got to start thinking about it as YouTubers a lot earlier than maybe you do. So if you see me post fall stuff in July, you're probably like, what? But it's because we need to make the content so it can get out to you when you want to see it and when you're looking for it. So if I start making my crafts when you want to see it, then I'm already behind the game. So it's July, but we are making fall crafts, and I am not mad about it. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love if you would leave me a comment either telling me what your favorite find of mine was or your favorite Dollar Tree find lately. I love hearing what other people have found. Also, if you are seeing some fall stuff out there, check it out. Shannon, Daily DIYer, who I was talking about before, also just did a big Dollar Tree fall haul, so I will link that for you as well. You can go check out her stuff because she lucked out a lot more than me. So you can see all of her fall stuff from Dollar Tree, and I will stay on the hunt, and when I find more fall stuff, I will share it with you guys. Also, if this is your first time here, be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss a future Whiskey and Whit video, and I will catch you in the next one. Happy shopping! Bye!